What day is today? May 10 is a mix of savory snacks, sparkling spaces, and a huge shout out to local hustle. First up, National Shrimp Day. Did you know shrimp is the most popular seafood in the country? Whether you like it grilled, fried, or in a classic cocktail sauce, today is the perfect excuse to channel your inner Bubba Gump. It's a literal fruit of the sea feast that seafood lovers look forward to every single year. Next, it's National Clean Your Room Day. To the delight of parents everywhere, this day is all about clearing the clutter. While most of us view cleaning as a chore, this holiday is designed to help us reset our environment and enjoy the stress relief that comes with a tidy space. It's the perfect time to finally tackle that mystery pile in the corner of your bedroom. And finally, we celebrate National Small Business Day. This day honors the grit and heart of entrepreneurship. From your favorite local coffee shop to the startup down the street, today is about supporting the small-scale businesses that make our communities unique. It's a reminder that behind every open sign is a dream worth celebrating. So whether you're peeling shrimp, scrubbing floors, or shopping local, May 10 has something for everyone. If you want to learn more, visit nationaltoday.com.